What's up guys, starting today's video. As you can tell, I'm in the hatch right now and I'm about to do some testing and see what could be. I got me a test light where I could like check all my fuses and check some stuff if I'm getting power and if anything's grounding out. And also got me some starter fluid. Spray it around the throttle body. If the car starts and it dies, then I'm gonna point out it's the fuel pump. Yeah, I'm getting fuel to the fuel rail, but the pump doesn't sound like it should. It sounds like it's either dying or starving, which shouldn't be the problem. Also, if it starts with starting fluid, I'm gonna guess that the injectors are not firing. I don't know why, but when we cleaned them, they were spraying fine. They had the same spray pattern and it was fine. So either another sensor is not turning on the injectors or what's going on. And for your injectors not to start spraying, it could be like a crank sensor or something like that. So that's the test I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start with my fuses, check everything over. I'm gonna upload the original tune that was on this car, because like I said, that tune was fine. It's just that it takes a while for it to warm up for me to be able to drive it because of the air fuel ratio. But once we get that in, it should be good. Then see if it works, and if it starts with starting fluid, then either I'm not getting fuel from the fuel pump or my injectors are not firing. So I'm gonna look into those two things, and I really hope it's the fuel pump. From all the things that we've been doing messing with the car. Check the fuse box underneath the hood. I'm gonna grab my test light and check those fuses. I don't know what FIE/M stands for, but I'm gonna just check those just in case it needs to be replaced or not. Fuses are just hit this metal connection, blinks on both sides. That means it's good. Check this one real quick. See, so all the fuses underneath it is good. Everything's getting what is needed for power over here, so this is good. I am about to go underneath in my car and check my fuses underneath the driver dash, I believe. Yes. Now I'm gonna check that and see if that's all good, and just change it if it's needed to be changed. Huh. I should be getting something under here, but I'm getting nothing. Oh, I forgot to turn on the key. That was a fail. This one's good right here. Wow, I think this 10 amp one right here is blown. This one's blown. Holy shit. Okay. 7.5. That one's good. This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. That one's good. I have more blown fuses than I thought. That's crazy. So, good thing I bought me a set of some fuses where I could replace them. And I got me some bigger ones too, just in case. But as far as we can tell, I'll be replacing these with these. Because need to look what kind of set of fuses I have is going to be this one, the mini blades for underneath the dash. So I'm gonna open this up real quick, then we'll continue this while replacing them, and we'll see from there. Alright guys, so I'm about to spray a little bit of this to the throttle body, see what happens. If it starts, then I'm gonna rule out my injectors aren't firing or my fuel pump is pretty much dead. So I'm gonna spray a little bit in here like that. go crank the car. Hopefully it doesn't start the fire. And let's see. So I just sprayed a little bit in there. So as you can tell, it kind of wants to start. So I'm gonna try another thing. I'm gonna try to wire up my fuel pump so it just stays on real quick. Let's see if we can actually get this thing to be actually started. So as you guys can see, it's like I'm not getting spark or I'm not getting enough fuel. One of the two. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys more updates as far if I could find a fuel pump. And if that doesn't work, then quick position sensor or my injectors is not working correctly, and gotta figure out why I'm not getting spark. So hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.